Okay, so welcome back. So this is now the example 1.2 of chapter 1 of the University Physics with Modern Physics. The chapter 1 covers uh has a title of units, physical quantities and vectors. Okay, so this is more of another a continuation of conversion. Okay, so the problem says that one of the world's largest cut diamonds is the first star of Africa. Okay. Mounted in the British Royal uh, s- s- Scepter and kept in the Tower of London. So its volume is 1.84 cubic inches. What is the volume in cubic centimeters? And what is the volume in cubic meters? Okay. Okay, let's answer first the first problem, letter A. Let's do this letter A. Okay, you're given a value of 1.84. This is cubic inches or inches cube, meaning like this, inches cube, and you're given as some in your exam, most of your instructor must give you uh, conversion factors, unless if the conversion factors are obvious and being used repeatedly in the class that you should be able to memorize it. Okay, you need to convert this one first, express this one in cubic centimeters, like this, centimeter cube, like that. And also, convert this one also in meters, cubic meters. Okay, our solution for letter A is that 1.84 cubic inches, this is equal to 1.84 cubic inches multiplied by the conversion factor, that since this inch is in the lower part, in the upper part, so let's put the inches in the denominator. 1 inch is equal to 2.540 centimeter. Okay. So can we now proceed, or are we missing something? So look at this one. Okay. Say for example, we have an a cube, and you divide it by a to the power of 1. So what do you think will happen? So you're gonna have a squared. So meaning you cannot cancel this one because there's gonna be 2. Okay, let me expand it clearly. A times A divide A is just A times A, which is equal to A squared. That's what's going to happen. So the trick here is that you are going to cube this one, the conversion factor. So what will happen now if you cube this one? So so this will now become 1.84 inches cubed. Okay. Okay. And since if you have AB over CD, okay, like that, cube, it will become AB cube over CD cube, like this. Or we can write this like this, A cube, B cube, D cube, like that. So the same thing here, this is our A, this one is our A. So we have 2.540 cube, and we have the cube will become centimeter cube, and we have 1 cube, and we have inches cube. Okay. So in this case, we can now cancel this term, the unit here. So now we are left with cubic centimeter. Okay. If we continue this one, so we will have 50, 1.84 times 2.54 square cube multiplied over 1 cube over 1. So the answer is, since we have three significant figures, so 30.2, because our calculator gave us 30.152 centimeter cube. So 30.2 centimeter cube in three significant figures. Because our given values here are in the list is the three significant figures. Okay, once again, review the rules on what are the correct usage of significant figures if you do calculations. Okay, so convert this now, and this is our letter B. Convert this now into meter cubic meters. Okay, either you can use this one or you can use this one. So let's use this one first. This one. Okay. So since you converted this one into centimeter, gonna use another conversion factor. 1 meter from our lesson. If you read the book, 1 centimeter. This is just equal to 1 times 10 to the -2 meters. Okay. This is also equal to 1/100 meters. It implies that 1 meter, if you cross multiply, okay, it implies that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now let's convert this one. Since we already have 30.2 centimeter cube, okay, this is equal to, or cubic centimeter is equal to 30.2 cubic centimeter. So what will happen now? We multiply by the conversion factor of 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. Again, we're gonna cube this one. So we have 30.2 centimeter cube. 1 cube, gonna go directly. Meter cube, 100 cube, and centimeter cube. So we can cancel now the unit. If you do our calculations, 30.2 divided by 100 to the power of 3. So we have this 0.12302. Okay. To convert this one this one is meter cube. To convert this one, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So gonna using the scientific notation, this will become 3.02 times 10, since we, we run in this direction, -5 meter cube. Okay. We have three significant figures. So that is our answer for letter B. Okay. So if you like more videos like this, please like our channel, leave a comment, and subscribe so that you will be updated if we have a new videos, if we are going to upload new videos. Thank you and get blessed in your exam.